Hi friends, today we will discuss about difference between pivot table and normal table. So what is the pivot table and what is the difference between normal table? So the pivot table is the flexi table, so we can change the data how you can require. So the normal table we can't able to change the data. It is a fixed data and it is created from us. So there is a difference between the pivot table and normal. So normal table is fixed one and pivot table is a flexi table. So what is the how to create a pivot table from Excel? So if you see in the home tab, you can go to the insert and create the pivot table from the table range. So I will creating the table range here, and here you can see you can create a pivot table on new worksheet or existing worksheet. As of now I am creating an existing worksheet, so it is asking the here the row. So see here the pivot table data is created. See serial number, description, quantity, rate, amount. So here we have the four drag fields. So here we can able to see the four rows. One is row, columns and values and filters. So if you see, I am bringing this description into rows. See in the rows label, the cables based on the alphabet order is created. Cables, gift hampers, lugs. What are the description here? It is created here. So I am bringing the one more values. See here the amounts. I bring the sum of amounts. So for the cable, what is the cost? I have the amount 6600. See here the cable, what is the amount? 6600. So if you require the amount here, I am dragging. See the total amount is showing. No need of quantity, rate and everything. So instead of I didn't require, if you drag and pull it out again the quantity, so only the rows is there. You required unit rates here. See the unit rate, it is showing the cable unit rate is 200 rupees. So here it is showing. So if you require the quantity, it shows. See I am bringing the quantity, how much quantity you have taken. Okay, like this. See I am selecting this again in the column. If you bring the columns rate, see here how it will be. So your cable 200 rupees is the rate, and how much the quantity required 333. So like this you can able to change the how the table you required. You can able to change. If it doesn't require this rate here, you can drag it here the table. And this is the pivot table. It is a flexi table. You can change how you required. You can able to change it. And see here I am bringing this rate, quantity and amount here also. See quantity, amount is bringing here. So and I need example, if you see I am changing the values to here and I am bringing the amount here. See this is the amount and I am bringing the quantity here. See this is a cable, my amount is 6600, the quantity is 33. Like that we can able to clearly know that what is the quantity and for that amount is showing. So you can able to change the table how you required. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video. So in next video we can learn how to apply pivot table to sales data to know the each sales details. See in the everyone, lot of sales persons there and they will roam different regions. We have to see the each salesperson data each region on the fixed table to pivot table. How can we identify? We clearly knows that. If you see here also I am selecting this 33. So it is serial number 4, the cable description quantity 33 and rate is 200 and amount is 6000. So for this again I am selecting this 25. So each individual data you required, no need of apply filter and getting this data. You can simply double clicking this data, you can get the each individual data here. So same way we can see how it will be applied for the sales data. So we can learn same in the next video. Thank you friends.